Hi, this is Matt, and thanks for watching this video. I'm about to do another acrylic painting pour with the flood. There it goes. With the flood and some other acrylic paintings, which I'll show later on. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and give me a like button. It really helps out. Totally free. Won't let you down. Almost lost the straw there for the steak. That's right. Put that on the side. That at the end, you kind of find out that the edge is kind of difficult to get at. So with this, I'm doing a Dutch pour. I got the black on there already. I am gonna do some violet. This is zoom in, alright? Come on. Oh, whatever. And some forest green, as well as a fluorescent yellow and green. Wait, hold on. Orange and yellow. Might help if I read it before I say anything. Anyways, I'm also gonna put some cells in it, and this is what I use for some cells. It's really about 13 bucks. I got off of Amazon. Alright, so let's get started. I had to adjust the camera. Now I'm going to do a tiny bit. I don't let the stick go. That looks pretty cool. Definitely bright. Holy cow. Let's see. Now I gotta get the hair dryer. I could totally tell by doing an upgrade or putting more money into the color of the acrylic was a big improvement.